Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change directories using the cd command in command prompt. We have a folder on our desktop called Downloads. In this video, we will show you how to navigate inside this folder using the cd command in command prompt. In the Windows search bar, type cmd. Click on the command prompt from the results. The command prompt window will open on your desktop. Since the download folder is on the desktop, first we need to move inside the desktop folder. Type cd desktop and press enter. Now you are inside the desktop folder. To move inside the downloads folder, type cd downloads and press enter. Now you are inside the downloads folder. If there is a subfolder inside the downloads folder, for example projects, you can type cd projects. Now you are inside the projects folder. If a folder name contains spaces, you must put it in quotation marks. For example, inside project folder, there is a folder called Joomla Web. To move into it, type cd quotation mark Joomla Web. Now you are inside the Joomla Web folder. In the same way, you can navigate deeper into the nested folders. Now, to move up one level to the parent folder, type cd dot dot. To move up two levels, type cd dot dot /dot dot. To go directly to the root of the current drive, type cd /. Now you are inside the root folder of your C drive. This is how you can change directories using the cd command in command prompt. Thank you for watching.